Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 in the Allure specification. Now this is a rare car that comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine, 130 horsepower. Outside the vehicle there's 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, as well as a colour reversing camera, tinted rear windows. Inside of the car you've got this lovely panoramic glass roof, sat-nav, dual-zone air conditioning, cruise control. The car comes with 1 year's warranty, it's done less than 6,000 miles and is £30 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.